Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen style on your Samsung Galaxy A15. So, in order to do that, go to your settings, scroll down until you'll find your lock screen section. Here it is. Click on it. Now make sure to enable your touch and hold to edit features. So, let's enable it. Now it's on. So, in order to edit your lock screen, simply lock your phone again. Now press and give it a long hold, and now you can edit your lock screen. So there are pretty many things which you can adjust. So first of all, let's edit our clock type. So here we can even choose some analog-like clocks. We can change the color of it. We can change the position of it, of course. For example, let's choose this one. Let's make it black, like this color. Let's leave it right here. Now simply press on the screen one more time. It will be automatically saved. You can also add some new widgets. You can change wallpapers. For example, let's use you can choose one from your gallery, or you can choose one from the presetted ones. For example, let's choose this one. Yeah, I like it. When you're done and you're good with your changes, simply press done. And now you have your new lock screen on, as we see. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.